Miss Joelle here for another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to look at revision history on a document, how to see who has been on your document that you've shared. Please note that the revision history is going to be different based on who you've shared this document with. So you're going to see right here on my document, it shows that my last edit was 8 minutes ago. If I click that, it's going to show you all of the different times that I have edited this document. So you can go back and look at all the spaces that I've edited. You'll notice that on February 2nd, I had Miss Tierney help me with an edit. So what I can do is I can extend here and I could go through and I could see the exact things that Miss Tierney added. So if I click on those, sorry, it's a little far down. Here it was. I can now see where Miss Tierney was working on that document. And I can actually click through and see her edits in like all the different stages that she was at. So if you have multiple students working on a document, that is one way to be able to tell where they have made changes. If you have a document that just got completely messed up, you can go back to the very original version. So if you go back to the first version and restore it, it'll take you back to the very beginning. Or for example, if you wanted a specific spot removed, you could go back and say, you know what, I don't like the changes I made on March 9th. I want it to go back to the March 2nd version, and you can restore old versions. So that is how to go back into the document history, this last edit. This is a really cool tool as well. Document editors can see your view history. So if I click on that, I can actually see who has viewed this document. These are the people that the document is shared with. So I can see when those people have viewed it. But if I go to all viewers, I can actually see, and this is so cool for me, to know who's been looking at this page, right? So these are people who have clicked on my Tech Tip Tuesday document and have gone in and looked through it. So this is good data for me to have to see if people are using it. So that is helpful. Oh, I didn't even note here, you can also see if there are any like trends of like the times that people are looking at it and things like that. So pretty cool. I do want to note that when you share this document, so I'm going to use my gender justice slides, for example. I gave the students of our book club edit access so that they could edit some of the different definitions that we were talking about. But you will notice that when I go to the last edit and I go to the version history, it says all anonymous users instead of telling me who made those edits. That is because I shared this with a link instead of sharing it by student email. So if I actually wanted the students' names to pop up so I could see who edited what, I would need to make sure that when I am sharing it with them, I'm not just sharing it by this anyone with the link can edit, which is what I did here. I would actually have to add in their emails and share it with them that way, and then their identities would pop up. So I hope that is helpful. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Have a great week.